Morning guys, Andre here from Howling. Today I'm going to show you how to set up our rooftop tent. Come around. So do the straps. That's it. Unzip the cover. Pretty much it all depends on what access you got to that zip and how quick it's to set up and the height of the tent. Once that's done, that cover can slide off as well. It's on a rope sail. If height's a bit of an issue, maybe carry a little two-step ladder. Then I'll just engage into those pins. Okay. That's my LED light. Running up to the top. Then, basically this is the extension bar. The extension piece that goes over the stairs. It's got two little buckles here. That just slots into these two little connection points. So that's it, you get tension off, especially if you've got heavy wind or rain. Tension off, or you get some cooling on the top. And then with these spring rods, they just slot in. You can do these through the window or outside. That's it, go live it.